My name is Anubhab Roy. Presently, I am pursuing BBA in Hotel and Hospitality Management from EIILM-Kolkata. Today, we are going to prepare bell pepper pyramid.
So here we go. We have the bell peppers which we have already cut and cleaned the inside portion, and we have the vegetables. We have lettuce. We have minced chicken which we have already minced and kept. So we are going to start with the recipe. We are going to start by putting some garlic, some onion, some tomato, some vegetables, some spinach, now we are going to put the minced chicken, cook it well. So I am rubbing some oil and salt and pepper so that the flavor is enhanced to these bell peppers. The chicken is almost done. You can put it here. Very gently put, otherwise it will fall. Right. Let it cool for some time. Let it cool for 2 minutes. We'll saute the asparagus. Don't break it, just. Okay, now we need to stuff this bell pepper with this.